Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen and these are my reviews. Today I have a mix and match unboxing for you. If you're not sure about mix and match, I have the styling feed, which I only paid $5 for, and it looks like they sent me 7 items. And you could decide what you want, and then you email your stylist back. This time my stylist, Lauren, did not email me to see what I liked. I just went on Instagram and decided what I liked and just liked it on there. So my total for the box was $320. If I buy everything, it's $80 off, and it's $240 for 7 items. So I have 5 days to decide, and if I decide to pick 5 items or more, they have a 3-month plan where you can pay everything off. And in the box, you get the price sheet, that information. There's a picking list, return envelope, which goes back to, for me, UPS. And so if you like these kind of videos, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so it looks like I have 2 bundles here. So their packaging is so cute. I love it. It's white and black, and then it's always wrapped in pink bow. And it's so pretty, I don't want to mess it up. So let's get into the first bundle. And it says, "Thank you for letting us style you." That's really cute. And I love the tissue paper. And then inside the tissue paper, the white and black has pink inside, so it's really cute. So let's get into the first bundle and see what she sent. So it looks like something that I actually liked on Instagram. So the first item is this hoodie. It's gray, and it has a tan and black leopard. Here it goes, and it's on the sleeves. It's really cute, and it has a hood. So this is, so their items are different. They have the price tag and then the price on it. So this is TK 8009S, and it is the charcoal knit brush Hacky and French terry animal print hoodie, and it's $40. So if you decide to want to purchase this, there is your item. It's really soft, so that's nice. Okay, so the second item here is this fringe. Feels like sweater. It's fringed on the top and fringed at the bottom. It's kind of short, and it's really soft. It looks like it has, it's black and gray, and this is okay, this is a cozy casual black chunky Chanel knit V top pullover sweater with distressed hem. It's a small medium, and it's $45. So there you go. It's the item. So that was the first bundle. That was it. So let's get into the next bundle. This one seems a little bit bigger. So let's get into that. Okay, so the first item here looks like this button down top, and it gathers at the bottom, and it looks like it has some flowers on it. It's tan and red, and the color is black, so that's really pretty. It's a nice work shirt. It would have to be a cami underneath because you could see through it. So this is T141. This is the Lush Flirty Long Sleeve button blouse with draped and gathered hem, size small, and it's $48. So there's the item. Okay. Next we have here is a sweater dress, it looks like. And you could see the different pattern. It's red and white, and then the color of it is black. So it's kind of tight, but it's stretchy. The neckline, it gathers at the top, and it looks pretty, like it's gonna be pretty form-fitting for me. Let's see what this is called. It's the Regenibon. Let me see if I can show you guys the name here. That's the name, I can't pronounce it. Black colored block long sleeve bodycon sweater dress, size small, and it's $48. And that's the item number if you'd like that item. Okay, next here we have is, okay, so I received this same top in my last mix and match, but it was gray. So this here is kind of like a tan color and white, and then it has the same ruffle sleeves. So it's really soft, it's cute, it fit really nice. So this item is the Gilly Rust White striped top with white ruched wrist and tie, size small, and it's $32. So there you go, that's the item. Okay. So the next item, which I really like this, but oh, the sleeves are different, really cute. So this looks like a washed out top, long sleeve, very cute. It's like black and like tan, I guess. And then on the sleeves here is this braiding all the way down. So that's really cool. Let's see if I can put my arm in there and you guys can see what I'm talking about. So that's cool. See that? Very nice. So this item is UTC. The Urbanix Mineral Washed V-neck top with braided long sleeve, and it's $38. There you go. It's really cute. Okay, next I actually have this top already, which is funny. I gave it to my mom. So I definitely will not be keeping this. I already owned it and purchased it in one of my previous boxes. So this is a purple top, and it has, looks like zippers at the bottom. And you can unzip these. So let me unzip them and show you guys. So you can unzip these and wear it like that. It's really soft. This is the Magic Fit USA Plum Comfy Sweater with zipper detail, and it's only $29. So there you go. And then last but not least, it looks like a pair of jeans here. They look like they are really cute, and the price on them looked really nice. So these are, they look like this. And there's some distressing on them. It's not super crazy. But then at the bottom, they have this hem, which I really like a lot. And then on the back, it has a little bit of distressing on the pockets, but nothing down the back. So these are JB. Judy Blue, medium dark, wash skinny jean fit with destruction hem, frayed hem, size 25, and they're only $45. So that's a really good deal. So here you go. That's the item. So what I'm gonna do is try everything on for you guys. So just stay tuned. And then at the end, I will give you my opinion on what I decided to keep. Okay, so the first item is this top. It's really soft and cute. It fits really nice. I like the hood. The hood's a different material and the arms are a different material. They're like a thin sweatshirt material, and this is more of like a fleece base. It's really cute. It fits really nice. The hood's a little bit bigger, as you can tell, in the back. But I really like it. It's really pretty. These are the arms. This is the print. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, the next item are the jeans. So they're really nice. They're comfortable. They fit really good. For $45, they're really not that bad price. You can always take them and cuff them up at the bottom. So yeah, so here's the distressing there. They fit nice in the waist. fit everything good. So we'll have to see. Let me know what you guys think down below about these jeans. I mean, I get jeans in every bundle, it seems like. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, so next is the distressed hem sweater. It's really cute. I like how it kind of goes like off the shoulder a little bit and stays on the shoulder here. Here's the frayed hem and it goes all the way around. It's really warm and cozy. The material is really nice. You could see it. Here's the distressing in the shoulders. I mean, it's cute. Let me know what you guys think. It's with the jeans. So usually I wear my hair down with this so you won't see this line here, but it's really cute and comfortable. Okay, so here's the top, and there's some buttons here, and then it's cinched right here, and it's a wrap. It's really cute. This actually fits pretty nice. The pattern's cute. It's a top that I probably can wear to work. See how it bunches, and then it goes down. I'm not sure. It's cute. I'm not really a big fan of the flowers on there, but let me know your guys' opinion. I'll do a turn for you so you can see, and let me know what you think. Okay guys, so here is the top. That's the rust color. It's really cute. I like the sleeves, but like I said in my last video, I'm kind of concerned with the bopping up and down and forth. Like, it kind of would be a little annoying. But it fits really nice in the top and in here. It's really comfortable. See, here's the design. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not sure. Okay, guys, so here is the other top that has the braiding down the side. Here's the wash so you guys can see it. It has a V-neck. It fits nicely all around. It's a little wide at the neck right here, more than I would like. See the braidings on both sides. Let me know what your guys' opinion is on this. I'm gonna do a turn for you so you can see. I like the wash though, it's really cool. I like this wash. Okay, so here's the purple top, the one that I already own that I gave to my mom. It's cute. Here are the zippers that you can zip up. I would probably never use it that way. You can do it like this, whatever. It's cute, but like I said, I've already owned it. So I'm gonna do a turn for you guys. So I'm definitely not gonna keep this item. Okay, so last but not least is this dress. I do not wear dresses like this, unfortunately. It's really cute, but it's too form-fitting for me. It's really soft and comfortable. If this was a top, I totally would wear it. But not a fan. It's just too tight for me, unfortunately. So, hey guys, so here's my final thoughts. So I'm gonna do my favorite to last. The jeans are really cute and they're reasonably priced. I have a Stitch Fix coming today, so I have another pair of jeans in there that I might keep. I'm not sure if I liked everything in the box, but I'm leaning towards keeping these. This dress, is a definite no. I don't wear stuff like this. Unfortunately, it's too tight. So I'm gonna pass on that. The purple top I gave to my mom already. This one, so I'm definitely gonna pass on this because I already bought this before, so I'm not sure why they would send it to me again. This top here is really cute. If it was a t-shirt, I would like it better. I'm not sure if I'm a big fan of the sleeves. It's kind of like really motorcycle-y, and that's not really my style. This top, I sent this back on my last fix. I like the color, but I'm not sure why they sent it again because I did send it back and I wasn't a big fan of it. So I'm gonna pass on that. This item, this top was really cute. I could probably wear this to work with some jeans, but I don't really like it that much. This top here, it's cute, but it's very, I don't know. It's different. I like the destruction of it. I like how the bottom is really cute, but Let me see how much it is. I'm not sure where I would wear it. 45. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Last but not least is this pullover, hoodie, whatever you want to call it. Cute, but I'm gonna pass. So the only thing I possibly could be keeping is the jeans. So I'm gonna put everything back in my box and ship it back and let Nora know what I'm gonna decide to keep and what I'm not. They don't fully have a